everyone, welcome to the Outside World Entertainment, Ishikar NTU. And here we are in Toronto, Canada. And today we have heavy snowfall. Look at this. So let's grab a shovel and do some cleaning up. Another day of snow, and today is a lot of snow. We get like about 60 centimeter of snow in Toronto. This is the beauty of Canada. We have to clean it. It's not an easy job. It's very tough because the temperature right now in Toronto is actually minus 12 degrees Celsius. And this is one car. That's the next car here. I have one car in the back. We leave our tropical country, Guyana, to come in Canada. And this is what we have to do, cleaning snow, right? So actually, I have to try to clean here so I can get the wrong side of the car. So that is what I'm trying to do right now. So if I can clear here as soon as possible, I will be able to clear the whole driveway very fast. It's not easy, it's a very tough work. I just went into the house And I have a drink of vodka to heat up the blood so I can do this job. I have a 10-minute break with a cup of coffee. And now the wind is getting stronger. But I managed to clear between these two cars so far. You can see it there. Let me go around, show you. Look. Yeah, clear around between the black car and the red car. Wind is getting a little bit crazy there now, but I will have to continue my job. And actually this is my second job during winter when snow fall, but this job don't earn me any revenue, but it earned me some muscle. And here comes the snowplow. Look at this. Can you believe this? I already cleaned up my snow in front of my driveway. Now the snowplow piled everything back there. Now I have to redo it so I can back out my car. It's very cold today. What a hard job to clean snow. How life can get any colder than this. And here I have to reshuffle everything because of the snowplow. I already cleaned the driveway around the cars. You can see it. This takes me 4 hours to clean. Look at this. Anyway, this is in Canada. A lot of snow today. If you like my show, give me the thumbs up. You can also share my video. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you very much and you all have a nice day. Bye.